Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into the Arduino UNO Q, the latest in microcontroller magic. It's got a faster processor, more memory, and even a built-in DAC for audio. Perfect for beginners. The Arduino UNO Q features an STM32U585 ARM Cortex M33 processor at 160 MHz, with 2 MB flash memory and 786 KB SRAM, plus a Qualcomm Dragonwing QRB 2210 SoC at 2.0 GHz. Let's unbox it. Inside, you'll find the Arduino UNO Q board, a USB Type-C cable, detachable pin headers, and a getting started guide. Notice the quiet connector for easy sensor attachments and the built-in LED matrix for fun displays. It also includes 14 digital I/O pins, 6 analog inputs, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. First, download the Arduino App Lab from arduino.cc. Install it on your computer. It's free and works on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Run the installer and follow the prompts. Once installed, launch the application. This unified environment allows programming both the MCU with C/C++ sketches and the MPU with Python scripts. Next, connect the board via USB-C. The system should recognize it, and you may need to select the USB connection mode within the App Lab. In the App Lab, go to Examples and select Blink LED. This example includes a sketch.eno for the MCU and main.py for the MPU. Click the Run button to upload the code. Compilation might take a few minutes. Then observe the built-in red LED blinking every second. This demonstrates MCU control and inter-processor communication, with the LED toggling via digital pin 13. If it works, congrats. You've run your first sketch. That's your start with Arduino UNO Q. This board can function like a Raspberry Pi for Linux tasks while retaining Arduino simplicity for hardware control. Experiment with sensors next, utilizing the router bridge for seamless MCU-MPU data transfer. Check the full article for more details. Happy making!